Hey guys, Forces and Bros. So in today's video we'll be doing a comparison of a brand new Husqvarna 455 Rancher compared to our 450 Husqvarna that me and my brother have. We have two of these, very reliable, and we've had them for 5 years. So we're just going to compare the chainsaws, which cuts faster on these two logs. So we have a 17-inch log with an 8-inch log. And yes, I just took down this 22-inch maple at the sugar bush. We're gonna start the video. We're just gonna lift those on the stand, and then yeah, we'll see which one's quicker. All right, guys. So now that we have the log set up, it's all tied down. We're gonna go ahead and start with the 450, then with the 455 Rancher. Let's see if I win against my dad. .455 Rancher. Well, if I would say, I didn't look at the time yet, it'll be on the camera, but I'd say the 450 looked a bit quicker. Alright guys, so we have the 450 now with the 17-inch log. We're both running 18-inch bars. So we'll get started on this one. Alright gents, got the 455 on the 17-inch log. We'll give it a shot. See which one's quicker. Seemed to be a bit longer. Thanks for watching this video of the comparison of both chainsaws. Make sure to go like and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like these.